Hey Glam Fam, what's up? So today I am going to be doing a smoky eye with a neutral lip, and we're just gonna hop right into it. I already have my base. I have bake on so that if I get any fallout from the eyeshadows, that it will go wipe away when I'm done. If you wanna know how I'm gonna achieve the look, then just keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. And let's insert the intro right now. Let's do this.
I just wanna show you off. I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
All right, so what my mom and I have been doing is she's been making her own makeup looks, and then I have to use the same palette. It kind of makes it fun for me as well. So I'm going to go by what she did. She didn't tell me what product she used. She only told me what palette she used. So once again, we are going into the Lorac Pirates of the Caribbean palette. And I am going to lay a transition shade. And for that, I'm going to go into Pirate's Chest. I'm putting that on my Morphe M200. And I'm just going to put it above my crease as my transition. Now that we laid that down, I kind of wanted like a mustardy color under my smoky eye, so I am going to cheat and go into a different palette. Let's go into this orange color then and mix it with a little bit of that. That's what I wanted. Looks better on a smoky eye than a like orangey, brown, mustard colored transition. Okay, so now that we have our transition all buffed in, we're going to go back into the Pirates of the Caribbean palette, and we're going to work on the crease. I'm just going to go in with this e.l.f. crease brush, okay? Shade Menace for the crease. This shade right here. I'm just going to concentrate on the outer V and get it into that crease. I'm going to go into the lid because, like I told you, this is going to be super easy. This is not going to take any time at all. I'm going in with this Morphe G14 lid brush. I am going to spray it to maximize the intensity of the shadow. Although with Lorac shadows, I don't find myself needing to spray quite often. They're very buttery and they pack a lot of pigment. And I am going into Cursed. Yeah, I'm taking it there for a daytime look. And I'm going to smoke that all over my lid. Building it up. I don't normally do this dark eye look. It's not my thing. Now we're definitely going to be blending that out. For this, I'm going in with my clean Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm going to get all around those edges and smoke it out. It's right here, Morphe M433. And I am going to go back into that color Menace and deepen up my crease now that I've, wiped it all away. And then I'm going to blend on top. This is a great blush brush to blend out your lid. On my Morphe 36, I'm going to go into this color's Yo-Ho and Shiver Me and put that in my inner corner. And I'm also going to do the same on the brow bone. Yo-Ho, Shimmer Me. Shiver Me, not shimmer. And I'm going to take my finger and kind of buff that out. Then back in with my Morphe M200, I'm just going to blend those edges one last time. Contour today, I am going into the Hello Kitty with ColourPop in the color Sticker Sheet. Taking it on this angled contour brush, and I'm just gonna put it right here. And then above my forehead, you know the deal. My nose, going with this e.l.f. dollar contour brush, and I am gonna do it with the same thing I use to contour my cheeks, which is the sticker sheet by Hello Kitty in ColourPop. And I'm gonna go down. And make a very thin line. Signature way to snatch my nose. Signature snatch. Blush, I'm going in with my favorite blush brush, which is the Morphe M427. I'm going into the Fun with Friends Super Shock Cheek. I'm almost hitting pan, and I don't hit pan on anything. It just is so gorgeous. And I'm gonna hit right above where I laid my contour. This is very creamy, so it won't look cakey. I am, however, I always do this with this blush. I take a tiny bit of setting powder, put it in the lid, and I go over this blush just to make it look more natural. And mix it with my contour. And that gives me a seamless look without looking too cakey. I don't like a lot of powder on my face. But see how much better that looks? A little bit of setting powder. I'm using the Born This Way Ethereal setting powder, which is an amazing setting powder, especially for anyone over 30. Morphe E36, shit. Back into the Lorac palette, and I'm gonna go into the shade Menace, that lower lash line, and match it up with my outer V. Pink or red, so I'm assuming it's the color Treasure. So I'm gonna go in with my E36 in that color Treasure right there. That's pretty. I am gonna have to go in with Cursed, which is that black one, the one right here, just above that red, because I don't want to look sick. I'm just gonna keep buffing. Morphe brush, which is the M433, I'm gonna buff all that out. And for you ladies with wrinkles, this will cover up your wrinkles. I want to do a little thing to bring this look up a notch. Going in with my Stila Magnificent.
E=MC². Get the camera off my...
I like turtles.
With my Stila glitter, okay? With the glitter and go, okay? This is in the color Smoldering Satin. It is gorgeous, and I am putting that on my Smokey Eye. And then I'm gonna blend it out with a brush. And that's gonna make it really, really, because I want to disperse the glitter. I don't want it to sit like that. So I'm gonna take any brush, preferably a brush that you don't use all the time, and just get that glitter all around. Yes. I'm feeling kind of Amrezy-ish today. I'm gonna go into this lovely highlighter. So I really want the focus to be my eyes, so I want the highlighter to be nice and neutral. Just a nice glow from within. And to make sure that effect happens and I don't have just a piece of highlighter sticking there, I'm gonna take my beauty blender and pounce that highlighter in. My nose, right in the middle of where we laid the contour. Then I'm going to take my finger and just blend that bad boy in. So I'm going in with the Kat Von D Lolita 2 because I want like an orangey neutral lip, like a terracotta. To kind of mesh with my transition shade somewhat. Let that dry. I am gonna go around my lips with this e.l.f. pencil. This doesn't have a shade name. It's just a neutral pencil. Just to give my lips the illusion that they're a little bigger. Okay, last but not least, I am going in with this Hello Kitty glitter gloss in the color. I have no freaking idea. I'll leave it down in the description box below. And I'm just gonna focus on the center. One last spray with the Hangover RX. I decided that I want something in my waterline, so I'm gonna add this Avon wonderful, wonderful True Black pencil in my waterline. It's very creamy and it doesn't irritate the eyes, and it's super black. If you guys liked it, I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, a wonderful holiday, and I will see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe. I upload almost every day, and I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.